What's up, guys? Fresco BK live here at Stadium Goods, located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Another special unboxing look for you guys today. All my Fear of God fans, shouts out to Jerry Lorenzo. We have the Fear of God 1 Friends and Family. So this one's exclusive, never been released, but we got them right here at Stadium Goods. Say less of all this talking. Let's get straight to these shoes. Standard box top, classic to all Fear of God styles. You'll find most of them in this box. And please let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let's get rid of this guy right here. And here we have the Fear of God 1 Friends and Family in the light bone and sail colorway. So if you guys will notice the immediate connection between the regular light bone and this one, they are actually very similar with a few different detailed hits. So pretty much sail and bone throughout the entire shoe with the different material stories. So the toe box area here features the suede. We have the 3M overlay, which mirrors the 3M overlay on the light bone. We have the sail midsole, the sail and light bone midsole. We have the translucent hit right there on the midsole outsole. And once again, the Air Fear of God. This is SN8329186. Apparently these are Jerry Lorenzo's father's dog tag symbols, numbers that existed on his dog tag, as he is a military vet, but I'm not sure. Please let me know in the comments. We get to the back tab, features the zip. Zip this one down. Has the Nike right there and features the Fear of God. But one of the main differences between the light bone and this light bone and sail Friends and Family is the swoosh right there on the outer panel. So you see this one has the white swoosh, and if you look at this one, you'll see a black swoosh. So that's one of the main differences there. We have the lace lock right there, featured on the laces, and this I believe comes with either 6 or 7 different sets of laces, but we'll get to those in a minute. Lace lock with the laces. We get to the inner panel. Features the Fear of God right there on the inside. Let's go to the inner panel here. The plastic caging, which runs throughout the entire upper of the shoe. Plastic caging on the inner, plastic caging once again on the outer. Let's get to the outsole. Full sail and bone outsole with the translucent hit towards the heel with the black swoosh. In the box features the, of course, dust bag, the black Fear of God dust bags that comes with most of the Fear of God styles that you will find. If yours doesn't come with a dust bag, I don't really know what to tell you. Features, of course, the additional sets of laces that come in these zips here. The additional sets of laces also features a few extra lace locks. And I want to say there are anywhere between 8 and 10 different lace styles in either the sail colorway, light bone colorway, or white. So there's like 8 to 10 different sets of laces featured in these Fear of God Friends and Family. And I'll give you guys one last look at the Friends and Family Fear of God 1, not the shoot around, but the Fear of God 1 that we have right here available at Stadium Goods. We have all 3 right here, and I want you guys to let me know what you think in the comments, which one is your favorite. If I had to lean towards any one, I may lean towards the Friends and Family. I do like the light bone colorway a lot, and I would say the black. I still do like the black, but if I'm going 1 right here, 2 right here, and 3 right here. But let me know your order and let me know what you guys think in the comments. And we have all 3 available right here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Please download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and Android. Please follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms at Stadium Goods. Please feel free to visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco BK, and salud.